In the ever-evolving landscape of the Russian aviation industry, Tupolev, a venerable name in aircraft manufacturing, has undergone a remarkable transformation over the past decade. Under the leadership of Vadim Korolev, who assumed the position of managing director in May 2021, the company has navigated a challenging period to emerge as a key player in both the military and civilian aviation sectors. Notably, the Kazan Aircraft Plant, KAZ, a subsidiary of Tupolev, has become the focal point of this resurgence. The plant, which previously focused on the production of prospective strategic bombers PAC-D, has now been redesignated as a facility dedicated to the assembly of the Tu-214 aircraft. This shift in focus is a testament to the strategic priorities of the Russian government and the growing importance of the Tu-214 program. The revival of the Tu-214 production is a multifaceted endeavor backed by substantial financial support. The Russian government has committed about $482 million from the National Wealth Fund and an additional $485 million in financing to support the program. This investment is part of a broader initiative to reinstate the aircraft production, which had been halted for over 15 years. The modernization of the Kazan Aircraft Plant is a crucial component of this revival. The plant is adopting an automotive-style assembly line methodology, similar to the approaches used at the Irkutsk, Ulyanovsk, and Lukavitsy facilities for the production of other aircraft models. This accelerated modernization, expected to be completed within 2 to 3 years, is a testament to the urgency and importance placed on the Tu-214 program by the Russian government. The revival of the aircraft is not without its challenges, however. Korolev acknowledges the difficulties in accelerating production, given the plant's previous output of only 1.5 aircraft per year. The scheme for scaling up production has also required the development of unique rules and procedures which have delayed the process. Despite these obstacles, the outlook for the Tu-214 program is optimistic. Aeroflot, the Russian flag carrier, has placed a firm order for 11 aircraft, with an additional 29 aircraft under contract with the leasing company Aviacapital-Service. The first deliveries of the special configuration aircraft to Aeroflot are scheduled for 2024, marking a significant milestone in the program's revival. The resurgence of Tupolev and the Tu-214 program is not limited to the civilian sector. The company is also exploring military modifications of the aircraft, including electronic warfare and patrol variants, as well as the modernization of the existing Tu-22M3 fleet to the Tu-22M3M standard. Furthermore, the company is looking to the future, with plans to develop a 2-member crew variant, a shorter version similar to the Tu-214-300, and a dedicated cargo plane. These initiatives demonstrate Tupolev's ambitions to diversify its product portfolio and cater to a wide range of aviation needs. The transformation of Tupolev and the Kazan Aircraft Plant is not merely a story of industrial revival. It is a reflection of the broader strategic priorities of the Russian government. The emphasis on domestic aircraft production and the reduction of reliance on foreign-made aircraft is driven by both economic and geopolitical considerations, particularly in the wake of the sanctions imposed on Russia. As the Russian aviation industry navigates these turbulent times, the resurgence of Tupolev and the Tu-214 program stands as a testament to the country's determination to assert its technological prowess and secure its aviation capabilities for the future. Now, do you think Tu-214 is a commercially viable passenger aircraft? Let us know in the comments. Don't miss out on the latest aerospace insights. Hit that like and subscribe button for more amazing content.